Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in a BMW X6. First, understand that launch control is a performance feature designed for maximum acceleration from a stop. It's crucial to only use this on a track or closed course, never on public roads. Before engaging, make sure your engine is fully warmed up to its normal operating temperature to prevent any undue stress on components. Always prioritize safety and proper vehicle operation. To activate launch control, begin by selecting the Sport Plus driving mode. You'll find this option among your driving experience control buttons. Next, shift your gear selector into the S position, which engages the Sport transmission program. Now, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot. While holding the brake, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot, pushing it all the way to the floor. Once you've fully depressed the accelerator, a checkered flag symbol should appear on your instrument cluster, indicating launch control is active. Now, release the brake pedal quickly and completely. Your BMW X6 will then accelerate with maximum power and optimized traction. It's important to maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel throughout the launch to ensure you keep full control of the vehicle as it rapidly gains speed. After using launch control, it's wise to allow your engine and drivetrain components to cool down before attempting another launch. Frequent use can put significant stress on your vehicle, potentially leading to increased wear over time. Remember, this feature is strictly for track use. Always consult your BMW X6 owner's manual for comprehensive information, including any specific warnings or limitations regarding launch control operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.